In this video, I want to show you how to restore the Wi-Fi setup mode on your HP Smart Tank that comes with a display and buttons layout like the one that you see right now. So let's go over here. What you have to do, well, first of all, make sure the printer is turned on and you're gonna press the I button. Keep it pressed until the whole panel is lit up. Okay? I'm currently pressing the I button and waiting. All right, once the control panel is lit up, you can lift your finger. Next step is to keep press the Wi-Fi button and the X button. Hold them both pressed. If you wait too long, the control panel will stop being lit up and you'll have to restart from the beginning. So this is what I will do now. Okay, it's lit up, and now I'll press the Wi-Fi and cancel button both at the same time. Keep these pressed until the panel stops being lit up. Then you can lift your finger and the Wi-Fi icon over here will be flashing blue. This means that this printer is ready to be paired with your smartphone or computer. It's in setup mode. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.